Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to set back tap to take screenshot in Android mobiles. I only see this feature is in Google Pixel say as default, and we can also set in Galaxy S25 Ultra or S25 S20 series by using the additional functions called Good Lock application and their themes and plugins. So how to do in Google Pixel 7a? It is very simple. Swipe up the screen for getting menu access, then open settings application you can see here, then scroll up the page, then you will get system, then open the system, then open gestures you can see here, gestures, simply open gestures. Okay, and the first option is quick tap. It is called quick tap in Google Pixel. So you can see that button is here, simply tap on that button and you can see the animation how to activate this function. So simply tap on that button, it is activated. Then you can see default option is take screenshot and there is multiple other options, and also you can choose open application and do some actions in that application functions also. And there is another function is called require strong taps. It will be prevent you from accidentally activating the actions by back tapping. So there is another option is called require strong taps. Okay, so we are successfully turned to that feature. Now it is time to check it is working or not. Okay, you can see here I'm back tapping and the screenshot is taken. So it is working in Google Pixel 7a as smooth, and also it is working with the Galaxy S series with Good Luck application and their plugins, and it is working fine, but not as smooth as iPhones. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.